You could go watch more than 3 million videos on YouTube about how to have a great company culture. We think if we do what they do, we can have what they have. That we can present like Steve Jobs, that we can have businesses like Amazon and Zappos if we just do the things they do. And this isn't new. This is how we've been forever. 70% of the 154 million people that show up to work every day say that they are unhappy being there. And what happens when we're disengaged? What happens when we show up, but we didn't really show up? It's really hard to give great customer service. It's hard to tell the kinds of stories about the product that make people want to buy it. They don't take initiative. They don't look around the shop and say, there's something that needs to get done. Why don't I take care of it? Culture matters. What happens every day inside of your business matters a lot. And you've heard about a lot today and spoke a lot about how that really does start with you. And ultimately, the culture is just a story everybody tells. What are the stories that you think people are telling about your business?